The sun was setting, casting long shadows over the barren landscape. Trevor stood atop the hill, surveying the desolation below. It had been a grueling journey, one that had broken many spirits along the way. Yet, here he was, standing amidst the ruins with a newfound strength that surprised even him. Once a timid man confined to his small cubicle, Trevor had always feared the unknown. Confronting the obstacles of daily life had been daunting enough, leaving him unprepared for the monumental quest he had undertaken with his comrades. Their journey had started with hope and high spirits, but as the days wore on, it became a relentless test of willpower. Each day brought new challenges: treacherous ravines, sweltering heat, and the ever-present threat of failure. The initial group of 20 had dwindled to just 5, each one carrying the weight of lost dreams and broken promises. These were no longer just obstacles. They were trials designed to chisel away the weak and expose the core of true resilience. The transformation was gradual. It started with small victories: a successfully crossed river, finding sustenance in seemingly barren ground, or simply making it through another night unscathed. These moments built a reservoir of strength within Trevor, piece by piece, like assembling a suit of armor. The camaraderie with his remaining companions was equally vital. They became a lifeline, each one's determination fueling the others, creating an unspoken pact of survival and growth. And then came the losses, bitter, soul-crushing losses. Trevor remembered the night they lost Maria. She had been a beacon of hope and wisdom, guiding them through the darkest nights. Her absence was a gaping wound, but it also sparked an inner resolve within Trevor, a need to honor her memory by pressing forward. The landscape before him now was desolate, a mirror of the emotional wasteland he had navigated. But paradoxically, his spirit had never been more fertile, enriched by the trials he had surpassed. He had transformed from a man fearing the shadows into someone who thrived in the dark, adept at finding light in the bleakest of circumstances. Standing at the hill's summit, Trevor understood that true success was never about the destination. It was about the journey, the grueling, heart-wrenching, soul-building journey that had forged him into someone he never thought he could become. The barren landscape below was not a symbol of defeat, but a testament to his resilience. He wasn't just surviving, he was thriving. The destination was nothing more than a marker. The journey was what had given him substance, resilience, and a new identity. Trevor began the descent, each step a reminder that success was not a place, but a continuous journey of growth and transformation, a journey that was far from over.